ऐसे करता हूँ वैसे करता हूँ।
Eyes, it's all eyes. Sharat was the biggest diva on set.
और खुदार ये ऐसा मौका दोबारा नहीं मिलेगा। यार ये मौका मैं चाहता हूँ मिले। I have seen lot of failures in life. बचपन से लेके आज तक ज़्यादा रिजेक्शन देखी है मैंने। I was always an underdog.
It was great having you on the show. आप लोग को बाय बाद में बोलूँगा, अभी नहीं जाने दूंगा। रिडिफ का रिव्यू है राजा सेन का, 3 stars out of 5। पहले तो इन्हें कुमार सानू से थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, इन्होंने लिखा है there's a lot to be said for the 1990s and Kumar Sanu doesn't make the list।
If it was a problem, it wouldn't have been doing well, you know. It's as simple as that.
When we were shooting, there's this scene in the race where the crowd starts cheering. They just weren't cheering. The moment Kumar Sanu came in, they went ballistic. So there definitely was a fan following.
He's an icon.
Kumar.
There's no doubt
Oh,
about it.
definitely,
वो
for
माइक कैरिंग
sure.
पे नहीं तालियां बजा रहे थे, वो हमने कुमार शानू को माइक दिया हुआ था कि सर आप गाइए, और वो क्राउड चीयर कर रहा था। So those shots we used in the race.
कहीं वो 90s का जो सेटिंग था या वो जो आप उसमें कहीं इतना नहीं घुस गए कि आपने प्लॉट पे ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं दिया है, कैरेक्टर्स पे ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं।
For any film to work, it doesn't work because it has period in it, you know. It works because of the story. Because it's a comedy film. In my mind, I was not making a social film. I was making a comedy, you know.
You have a socio-political voice, Sharaf. You do have it. It's permeating through your characters. Don't you agree with that?
I agree, but I don't want to. I don't like films that are preachy and where they scream and shout about the moral things or the social things. Oh, don't do this, do that. You know, it's everybody's opinion and everything is right in this world.
He's shy of intelligence, isn't he? Kumar Sanu's truly distinctive voice doesn't sound the same anymore. Too many digital bells and whistles are pro-tooling it to sound better and better, but the nose is gone. तो उनको नेजल से भी शायद प्रॉब्लम था और अब नेजल नहीं है तो भी प्रॉब्लम है।
और ये भी प्रॉब्लम है कि मशीन पे उनकी आवाज को शायद ट्वीक किया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया।
सॉफ्टवेयर का नाम पता है, प्रो टूल्स पे काम होता है, he knows। आप राजा सेन को कम मत समझिए।
तो वो तो है ही बड़े आदमी।
आप डर गए उनके रिव्यू से?
Anu Malik comes from old school. He likes the singer to sing the whole thing in one go. With Anu Malik it's not possible because he is not used to cut paste jobs, you know. The तकलीफ सारे singers को यही हो रही थी कि यार ये तो पूरा गाना गाना है एक बार में।
तो उसका रीजन क्या है, मतलब जब इफ टेक्नोलॉजी
है, it's more organic and it's more soul comes into the song, you know. And when psychologically the singer is thinking that I have to deliver, like how the shot is when long shots are taken, then actors perform more better.
Yes.
So then if there is fear inside, they perform better.
Why Anu Malik?
Why?
I'm sorry Anu ji, please don't mind it, but why?
यार अगर 90s ही करना है तो let's go to Anu Malik and do it ना. So then he said, yeah, let's go to Anu Malik. Then, oh my God, have I said the wrong name? You know, what's gonna happen now? You will have fun because he respects the written word.
Yes, I agree with that.
Varun Grover is getting noticed. Varun has written great lyrics, no doubt about it. Because of which, you know, people are hearing the words. Otherwise, आजकल गानों में कोई शब्द सुनता ही नहीं है.
यार तो मतलब ऐसे हॉस्पिटल का बुकिंग का दुखती रग पे हाथ रख शरद ने रख दिया, इतने गाने मैं लिखता हूँ और डैंचुक के अंदर कुछ सुनाई नहीं देता।
He only said once that, you know, that music is the king, but words are the crown.
Wow.
He said that to me once.
Thank you Anuji for saying this.
I like this old school method where he comes with a harmonium and he'll compose the whole song in front of you, and it's purely organic process. But the funniest thing was when we were making Momo, he made the song, he's singing it on the harmonium. When he sings, it becomes very funny, yaar.
I know.
And he himself is very sincere and he's like, यार तुम मेरी आवाज पे मत जाओ, पापोन गाएगा एक गाना, तुम देखना बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। और हम लोग फिगर आउट
And you're trying to imagine Papon's voice.
तो कैसा लगेगा ये वो?
Now coming back to the counter question that I have for you, why not a lyricist from 90s?
Why not? Because I liked Varun very much. It was very simple.
Personal equation.
Personal equation.
Okay, this review is from Koi Moi, Surbhi Redkar. रेड डालती हैं ये सब जगह पे, पुलिस में काम करते हैं।
तो आपके वाले जोक्स हो रहे हैं।
सुरभि रेडकर, she has given you 4 stars out of 5 and her entire review is very good, very positive and all that, and we are not going to read all of that. We are going to read I'm going to read a paragraph which the title of the paragraph is What's Bad? The inclusion of a competition only made us remind the Rab ne bana di jodi disaster.
I agree with this one.
रब ने बना दी was a disaster?
No.
आदि सर आप सुन रहे हैं क्या बोल रहे हैं ये?
मैं एग्री कर रहा हूँ कि पहले पॉइंट से कि अगर ये बिना वाइफ कैरिंग चैंपियनशिप के अगर आप रिजॉल्व कर पाते तो अच्छा होता, विच आई टोटली एग्री विद कि आई विश आई कुड हैव डन दैट एज अ राइटर, कि मतलब बिना किसी चीज का क्लाइमैक्स का सहारा लिए अगर एज अ राइटर यू आल्सो राइटर, इफ यू कैन रिजॉल्व अ फिल्म लाइक दैट, लाइक वुडी एलन डज इट एवरी टाइम एंड अगेन, you know, that's a greatness of a script.
Next review that I'm going to read, ABP Live, it's written by Mayank Shekhar. The proverbial Yash Raj heroine here is an overweight, relatively overeducated, newlywed romantic. Bhumi Pednekar spot on show he's written. The husband Ayushman, the RSS dude, is unhappy being in bed with her. I don't know if he's just temporarily frigid or plainly asexual. The marriage was fixed by the parents. He feels he deserves better, which is odd.
Everybody thinks like that.
I think it's human to want for more.
A better life, a better girl, a better boy.
Everybody thinks they deserve something better. I also deserve to be on TV, but the premise and even the realism in this film almost instantly reminds you of Basu Chatterjee's Sara Akash, 1969.
Yes. I have not seen the film. I have read the book.
राजेंद्र यादव बुक. क्या बात है मैं ये भी पढ़े लिखे हैं थोड़े आप अकेले रिसर्च करके नहीं बैठे हो ये भी बहुत होशियार है. The warm cozy world before you, however, is far too similar to Rajat Kapoor's Aankhon Dekhi. I probably say this because there is also Sanjay Mishra here as Babuji. Fine actor Mishra ji currently runs the risk of playing the same role too many times for his own good. I love you, Mike. मतलब you are saying that Sanjay Mishra is getting typecast. Sanjay Mishra का time आ गया है. Mind blowing. Amazing. I love your faith in him. There is very little in the story here to pull off a furiously engaging full-length feature. Do you agree that this could have been a short film?
It is a short film. 11 minutes, what do you expect? We didn't run for 3 hours.
This is a particularly poorly promoted picture, so I am not sure how well it may pack theatres. Fat chance. But talking of technology, this is the kind of cinema that surely gets a second wind, sometimes even many years later on DVD, YouTube or through downloads in the internet. I don't think you should wait that long.
वाह, तो इसमें तो कुछ भी खराब नहीं हो रहा है actually.
but do you
बस
think
को
the-
बुरा सिर्फ मार्केटिंग की बुराई है.
Do you think that your film was poorly promoted?
I don't think so.
No.
When we decided to release the film on the 27th, it was with ऐसे एक झटके में रियलाइज हुआ था कि कोई पिक्चर नहीं है 27 को आ जाओ. ट्रेलर अभी हमने खुद देखा था बना के. सो जब डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टीम में सहदेव जी वगैरह ने आके देखा,
Correct.
उन्होंने बोला अगर ट्रेलर तो बहुत प्रॉमिसिंग लग रहा है, अगर पिक्चर अच्छी है तो तुम 27th को रिलीज कर दो इसको.
Okay.
अगर पिक्चर खराब है तो कभी भी कर दो, पैसे डूबने हैं.
ये सहदेव जी बोल सकते हैं.
Adi one day was consoling me saying that, listen, the promotions of this film lie in the film itself. Picture अपने आप को प्रमोट करेगी, मार्केटिंग से कुछ नहीं होता है. और मेरे करियर में मैंने नहीं देखा कि पिक्चर अच्छी हो, ऑडियंस फ्रेंडली और ना चले. ऐसा तो होता ही नहीं.
This was on Twitter. This is from somebody called Sharanya Shetty. Her handle is Sharanya Shetty. Have colleagues who didn't enjoy Dam Laga Ke Haisha. Why? Actress is fat. According to them, actress shouldn't be fat. Movies should be glossy. Angry face emoticon.
It's not only Sandhya that's broken a stereotype. Even Premas, I feel his film in itself has broken a stereotype because the script is such.
Sharanya, maybe you should change your friends. Just dump them. Yeah, they are the real losers. I want to take a YouTube comment. This is from your trailer, Shah Shaheen. It says, silly story, average. Look at the alliteration, sir. Silly story, average Ayushman, Yoni Yashraj. I don't see any reason to watch movie.
I love the comment.
Raving reviews.
Raving review. Z News, Aparna Mudi. आबा कहाँ से चुन चुन के तू रिव्यूज लाती है? मुड़ी मतलब मुड़ के कहाँ गई? The plot is easy to predict, but the performances would blow your mind.
There is no plot. In the film, what is she predicting? शादी हो गई, अब उनका जीवन देखो, कोई प्लॉट है ही नहीं पिक्चर में.
He is somebody who has a lot of faith in an actor's skill. तो मेरी तो फर्स्ट फिल्म थी तो मैं तो उनसे बहुत क्वेश्चंस पूछती हूँ. मुझे सिर्फ कह रही तू कर लेना, समझ गई है, नहीं होगा मैं बता दूंगा. ही इज नॉट वन ऑफ दोज हु विल टेल यू ऐसे करो वैसे करो या सो मच कभी मतलब ना ही दिखाए करके ना ही दिखाए.
Girish Malaya at Girish Malaya on Twitter. He says Yashraj has absolutely nailed it with Dam Laga Ke Haisha, similar to Queen and as real if not more. Would rate this higher.
Agreed.
Totally agreed.
Somebody tweeted that Dam Laga Ke Aisha is not the queen of this year, it's the king of this
King
year.
of this. Yeah.
This is by somebody called Jim Beam. Do you drink? Jim Beam. सिर्फ एक ही चीज उन्होंने लिखी है, रब ने बना दी जोड़ी पार्ट 2.
मेरे एक दोस्त ने मुझे बोला कि दम लगा के आयशा इज द लव चाइल्ड ऑफ आंखों देखी एंड रब ने बना दी जोड़ी.
Okay, India Today, Suhani Singh, 3.5 out of 5. She says, our only complaint is that Kataria, who totally engrosses us in the fate of his characters, could have tied the loose ends, such as the fate of Prem's family business.
Actually, there was another voiceover in the end. You realize that they have shut shop. तो वो कुछ उस तरह से था कि 10,000 रुपए जो मिले उनको वो जीते उन्होंने, उससे तो कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ हो ना सका. घर की दीवारें पलस्तर हो गई और एक टंकी जो टूटी हुई थी उसको रिपेयर करा लिया. पापा जी के दिल में छेद निकला है, लेकिन वो अपने ऊपर 50,000 रुपए खर्चने में गवारा नहीं समझते. हाँ, एक चीज़ और है कि मम्मी के पास अब कॉर्डलेस फ़ोन है और वो घर का आंखों देखा हाल रसोई और छत पे से भी सुना सकते हैं.
But I think that the shop would go on well because his friend who was a competitor and he was opening another shop, वो शर्त रखता है ना कि अगर आप तुम दम लगा के आयशा में जीत जाओगे तो मैं नहीं करूँगा मेरी शॉप. तो I think that was resolved in a way, understood.
In a story sense, it's resolved, but in real life, people don't do that. I was very clear that we are making an honest, simple film. Let's not mess around with it too much. In fact, during the edit, Namrata and I tried a lot of smart things, but then in the end we realized that no, it's better to be honest than smart. So
It's better to be honest than to be smart. It's words of wisdom. This is called the googly review. इसमें कुछ off-handed चीजें होती है जो बाकी लोगों ने नहीं डिस्कस किया, नहीं पूछा. So it's very interesting. This is a review by Rajyashri Sen from First Post. I doubt Bhumi Pednekar will get more leading roles in Hindi commercial cinema.
She is not casting you for sure.
Definitely.
Hopefully, we'll at least see more of her in character roles. She's already casting you. It's impressive that Yashraj Films has backed a film which is difficult to imagine pulling in the big bucks. But they ये अच्छा ही कर रही है, बुरा ही कर रही है. कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. ये बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर है लेकिन पैसे नहीं कमाएगी. मूवी बहुत अच्छी है लेकिन इसको लीड रोल नहीं मिलेगा. इसीलिए गूगली रिव्यू है ये. The music in the film is lovely and is present more as a background score. You won't believe Anu Malik has written the music. ये भी मतलब you won't believe. I think her whole approach is that she's shocked that this film was even made.
I like this.
I like it.
I never thought that the film will get good reviews, honestly. Films that get good reviews are more serious ones. Comedies are anyways taken by...
Yes. I think उस review ने मुझे थोड़ा हिला दिया.
Comedy films are, looked down upon by serious writers, authors of reviews or film scholars. But it surprised me. It really surprised me that critics have loved the film.
Now coming back to you, do you think this lady who's raised a point that you might not get more lead roles? Or if you do, this is what is going on in her mind, that you might have to lose more weight, you might have to...
Which is absolutely fine. I feel as an actor, it's your job to transform yourself as to the requirements of the script. And it's not only about losing weight. If I'm offered a film where I again have to go back to being the way I was, I'll happily do it. Whether I will get more work or no, I really don't know. All I can do is I can hope that I get a lot of work. So I just hope कि कहीं कोई होगा जो थोड़ा और unconventionally out of the box सोच के maybe. So I'm just hoping that my next film comes really soon and my work speaks for itself then.
How did he cast you then?
I think you should ask him.
Who cast her?
Manish cast her.
Manish cast her.
Yeah, she was put down upon me.
तो ये credit और blame Manish का है.
Stuffed down his throat. He was really unhappy with me.
Really unhappy with
He really, because he probably thought that I'm not that good of an actor. I'm inherently very Bombay, Hindi ढंग से नहीं बोल पाती.
He hope कि आयुष्मान को बोलेंगे तो वो ड्रॉप कर देगा, बोलेगा नहीं मेरे को तो एस्टैब्लिश हीरोइन चाहिए. वो भी कम वक्त मान गया. अब वो मान गया तो बदला निकालने के इन्होंने जैसा पहले बोला था वो सीक्वेंस नहीं थी कंपटीशन की पिक्चर में स्क्रिप्टिंग के वक्त. इन्होंने आयुष्मान से बदला लेने के लिए वो डाला और फिर आपको बोला कि आप 15 किलो वजन बढ़ाइए और फिर आयुष्मान को बोला कि इनको उठाइए. और कितने दिन तक शूट किया वो
5 दिन.
5 दिन
बाद बेचारा बहुत रोया. लास्ट डे मुझे बोलता तू सलमान खान के साथ पिक्चर बना तो करके.
Okay, so now coming back to the segment which every critic is waiting for, the gift segment. So now I'm going to ask Sharad and Bhumi what gift they have got. आप क्या गिफ्ट लाए हैं, कौन से क्रिटिक को आप देना चाहते हैं और क्यों देना चाहते हैं?
I think हम ये मिस्टर मयंक
शेखर
को
देना चाहते हैं. और क्या ये क्या अजीब सी चीज है, मेरे पास भी है.
क्योंकि स्वाइन फ्लू बहुत ज्यादा फैला हुआ है तो हम चाहते हैं कि वो प्रोटेक्टेड रहे. उन्होंने इतना अच्छा रिव्यू लिखा है, इतनी अच्छे से हमारी फिल्म समझी है, तो हम चाहते हैं वो सेफ रहे, खुश रहे और
इस तरह
बिल्कुल इस तरह से. सो प्लीज बी सेफ मयंक. थैंक यू सो मच.
तो मयंक, ये आपको इसलिए दिया जा रहा है कि आप ये 3 मास्क हैं, आप तीनों पहन सकते हैं और आप स्वस्थ रहें, हेल्दी रहें और फिल्म में रिव्यूज करते रहें. एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच. Thank you for being on the show. It was such a pleasure, so much fun, and I really hope that कोई नहीं देगा तो मैं तो definitely आपके लिए लिखूंगा. I will write a film for you.
इतना बड़ा खराब जोक से तूने चालू किया ना. I hope it's not only this kind of ball talks.
Only these kind of jokes.
एक मस्त रिव्यू पढ़ा मैंने. Varun is mental, Nawaz is doctor. See, the expected revenge story is कि Sunny Deol will jump over the wall and go and do something, but it's not Ghayal.
It's hard to tell whether this is bad direction or simply bad casting.
We should have cast you.
Actually, you should have.
Actually, it's much
Gino,
easier.
please don't do these mistakes again. No, I can be 15, I can be 40.
Mayur Dhawan in Badlapur 2, where he kills people with a pink ball.
ये काट दो सब.
Cheat करना मर जाने for me is a very aggressive track. I feel like dying.
He wants you to die more.
मैं तो किसी को मारने के पहले चलो मैं तुम्हारा बॉडी दिखाता हूँ. ऐसा थोड़ी होगा.
Why are the women in Badlapur treated with such contempt? क्या आपको तकलीफ है औरतों से, सर बता दीजिए. Huffington Post, Supratik Chatterjee says,
Disagree.
can I just read it?
Don't miss the beginning, miss the full film.
सर माइक दे दो, इतना बजट नहीं है.